journey from DALL-E 1 to DALL-E 3 is a story of rapid advancements in AI capabilities and applications. DALL-E 1, introduced in early 2021, was groundbreaking but had limitations in resolution and detail. Feedback from DALL-E 1 led to the development of DALL-E 2, which featured enhanced resolution, better understanding of complex prompts, and more coherent image generation. DALL-E 3, the latest version, represents a further leap in capabilities. This iteration not only improves upon the image quality and resolution, but also introduces new features such as style control and more nuanced understanding of text prompts. The evolution of DALL-E is indicative of the rapid pace of progress in the field of AI. Each version has not only addressed the limitations of its predecessors, but has also expanded the scope of what is possible with AI in creative fields. DALL-E 3 operates on a sophisticated blend of machine learning algorithms and neural network architectures, primarily built upon the transformer model. The transformer model allows DALL-E 3 to handle and interpret the nuances of human language, essential for generating accurate and relevant images from textual descriptions. At its core, DALL-E 3 utilizes a modified version of the transformer architecture adapted for image generation. This involves an intricate process where the model is trained on a vast dataset of images and their corresponding descriptions. During this training phase, DALL-E 3 learns to associate specific words and phrases with visual elements and compositions. The technical process involves encoding the textual prompt into tokens, which are processed by the transformer model to predict visual elements. Following this, a generative algorithm synthesizes the predicted elements into a cohesive image. DALL-E 3 includes capabilities for refining and editing images based on additional input, allowing users to make adjustments to the generated images. DALL-E 3 has introduced several key upgrades that significantly enhance its functionality and applicability over previous versions. One of the most notable improvements is the increase in resolution and detail of the images it can generate. This enhancement allows DALL-E 3 to produce high-quality images suitable for professional use in fields such as advertising, media, and design. Another significant upgrade is the introduction of more advanced style controls. These controls allow users to specify not only what they want to see, but also how they want to see it, whether in the style of a particular artist, a specific art movement, or even a particular mood. DALL-E 3 also boasts improved understanding of complex and nuanced prompts. This capability is particularly useful in scenarios where the context and subtleties of the prompt are crucial for the intended message or aesthetic of the image. Lastly, DALL-E 3 has made strides in reducing biases in the images it generates, ensuring fairness and reducing bias in AI-generated content. DALL-E 3's primary capability, transforming text prompts into detailed and vivid images, is nothing short of magical. This feature opens up a myriad of possibilities across various sectors. In the creative industries, artists and designers can leverage DALL-E 3 to explore new forms of expression and experiment with complex ideas without the need for extensive manual effort. This can significantly accelerate the creative process, from initial concept to finalized design. In the realm of education, DALL-E 3 can be utilized to create detailed visual aids that help explain complex scientific concepts, historical events, or abstract theories. For students who are visual learners, this can greatly enhance understanding and retention. Similarly, in the field of publishing, illustrators can use DALL-E 3 to generate book covers, illustrations, and promotional materials, streamlining the production process and allowing for more creative experimentation. The technology also holds promise for the entertainment industry, particularly in areas such as gaming and filmmaking. Game developers can use DALL-E 3 to generate textures, environments, and characters, reducing the time and cost associated with these processes. As with any powerful technology, the use of AI in art, specifically through tools like DALL-E 3, raises significant ethical considerations. One of the primary concerns is the potential for copyright infringement and intellectual property disputes. Since DALL-E 3 can generate images that resemble the styles of existing artists or specific artworks, it poses questions about the originality and ownership of AI-generated content. Determining the ethical boundaries and legal frameworks for such creations is essential to prevent misuse and protect artists' rights. Another ethical concern is the authenticity and integrity of art. With AI's ability to generate art that can mimic human-created works, there is a risk that the line between human and machine creativity could become blurred. This could potentially devalue human creativity and alter the perception of art as a deeply personal and human endeavor. Privacy issues also emerge with the use of AI in art. As AI models like DALL-E 3 are trained on vast datasets that may include copyrighted or personal images, there is a risk of inadvertently using private content without consent. Ensuring that these AI systems are trained on ethically sourced data and respect privacy rights is critical to maintaining trust and legality. The introduction of DALL-E 3 has profound implications for the art industry, fundamentally altering how art is created, distributed, and consumed. This AI tool democratizes the creation of art, making it accessible to individuals without formal artistic training. Amateurs can now create professional-level images with simple text descriptions, which could lead to a surge in creative output and a broader diversity of artistic expressions. For professional artists and designers, DALL-E 3 acts both as a tool and a collaborator. It can assist in the rapid prototyping of ideas, perform tedious or repetitive tasks, and offer new perspectives and inspirations for creative works. This can free artists to focus more on the conceptual and innovative aspects of their work, potentially leading to richer and more complex artistic creations. Looking ahead, the role of AI in creative domains is set to expand and evolve. DALL-E 3 is just the beginning of what AI can achieve in art and creativity. Future developments might include more intuitive interfaces that allow for even finer control over the artistic outputs, deeper integration of AI in creative workflows, and more robust collaboration tools that allow artists and AI to work together seamlessly. One exciting prospect is the use of AI to create interactive and dynamic artworks that respond to their environment or the viewer's emotions. Such innovations could transform art from a static form of expression to a dynamic interaction, enhancing the viewer's experience and engagement. These advancements could also lead to new genres of art, where the interplay between human and artificial creativity spawns unique artistic movements. DALL-E 3 is more than just a technological marvel. It is a testament to the ongoing evolution of AI and its increasing impact on various aspects of life, including creativity and art. This tool not only showcases the capabilities of AI in understanding and generating human-like images, but also highlights the potential for AI to become an integral part of the creative process. The development and refinement of DALL-E 3 reflect a broader trend in AI research, a move towards more adaptable, intuitive, and sensitive systems that can handle complex human tasks. As this technology continues to evolve, it promises to open up new avenues for creativity, offering tools that can complement and enhance human abilities rather than replace them. Moreover, the discussion around DALL-E 3 and AI in art captures a crucial moment in our cultural and technological narrative. As we move forward, embracing these changes responsibly and thoughtfully will be crucial in ensuring that the integration of AI into our creative lives enriches rather than diminishes the human experience.